Hey tech fans! Imagine speaking just by thinking. New AI can turn thoughts into words for people with paralysis. Is this the future of communication? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this mind-blowing breakthrough. Stanford researchers unveiled a brain-computer interface that lets people with paralysis convert imagined speech into words with 74% accuracy. No physical effort needed, just think it. Want to know how it works? Keep watching. Stanford's Benjamin Machete-Crossa and his team tested 4 participants with severe paralysis from ALS or brainstem stroke, each with microelectrodes in their motor cortex. They compared brain activity for attempted and imagined speech, finding similar but weaker signals for the latter. An AI trained on a 125,000-word database decodes these signals, turning thoughts into spoken words, unlocked only by thinking chitty chitty bang bang with 98% accuracy for privacy. This BCI is less taxing than systems requiring physical speech attempts, with participants preferring its speed and ease. At 74% accuracy, it's a proof of principle, but future sensor and AI upgrades could boost reliability. It's a lifeline for those with paralysis, offering a new way to communicate effortlessly. Experts like Mariska Van Steensel warn about distinguishing intended speech from private thoughts, suggesting a toggle for user control. Benjamin Alderson-Day clarifies this isn't true mind reading, as it's limited to simple words. Regulated by federal agencies, this tech prioritizes medical ethics. Could this evolve into seamless, secure communication for all? This mind-reading AI is still evolving, but it is a massive step for accessibility. Are you excited for its potential or curious about privacy? Drop your thoughts below. That's the scoop on AI turning thoughts into speech. Are you hyped for this communication revolution or worried about privacy risks? Share your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech scoops.